Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. So today we are going to cook chicken cashew stir fry. So what we have here, of course, we have chicken cut into cubes or bite size, and then we have veggies. We have green beans, we have cauliflower, broccoli, and we also have red bell pepper. And of course, we have edamame. 1 cup of this. I'm not done shelling yet. I have to finish shelling. And then we have garlic, spring onions. We have pepper, ground pepper, salt, ground ginger. And then we have cornstarch, cashew, soy sauce. We have this white wine vinegar and honey. So let's start cooking. So first is we need a Ziploc. We will put the cornstarch, the pepper, and the salt in the Ziploc, mix them, and then we will put the chicken in the mixture. So we have here the chicken. It's already coated with the cornstarch, salt, and black pepper mixture, and we are going to cook this for 5 minutes in a skillet. I like to use my cast iron skillet to cook the chicken. So we'll put like 3 tablespoons of oil in here. Alright, now it's time to put our chicken in the skillet. Ooh. Let's cook it so 5 minutes, or the chicken is 75% cooked since we are using cast iron skillet. So we'll cook it for like 75% cook. Then we will flip it so it will evenly cook. This is just a medium heat. Wait for a little bit and then we'll flip it. Do you guys use cast iron skillet? I love mine. So I love to cook in it. But in this recipe, we'll be using 2 skillets. Cast iron and the Allclad one. Not cast iron. Just the stainless. There we go. Alright, so we are done with the chicken. We will turn this off. And now we are going to get our other skillet. You can use any skillet, but I prefer to use this stainless skillet that I have in here, that I have available. Alright, so we have here our other skillet. And I put oil. Little bit of oil, and I like to put oil on the sides. There you go. And then we will saute our garlic until it's medium brown. Is this recording? Yep. So just a little brown, medium brown. You don't want it burnt. And then we will put our beans. Saute it for a little bit. Lower down the fire so it will not get burned. And then next to this is put your chicken. Mix it. Next is we will put our pepper, red bell pepper, and the cauliflower. We will cook this for 2 minutes. We'll cover it, cook it for 2 minutes. While our chicken and the veggies are cooking, we are going to make the sauce. So our sauce is the soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon rice wine, ground ginger. Just keep stirring until they are well combined. Now 2 minutes is over. We are going to put our broccoli. And after the broccoli, we are going to put our cashew nuts. Mix it a little bit. Then cover for another 1 minute. Now it's time to put our edamame. I already cooked this. I microwaved it. I bought a frozen one. Then I microwaved it for 4 minutes and shelled them. And then we will put our sauce. The soy sauce, the honey, and the rice wine vinegar mixture. There you go. It smells good. I want to eat it now. I want to eat it now. It smells so good. can simmer it for another 1 minute, or until how tender you like your broccoli. Alright, 1 minute is over. Let me see. Oh, yum yum. Is it still recording? Yeah. Yum yum. Alright. And then you can put your spring onions now, or you can put it later. So I put these spring onions before I serve the chicken. Alright. So I will put the onions right before serving. So since I will be serving here right away, I'll put the onions now. You can turn the fire off, or you can turn the fire off. So it will not be overcooked. Here we go. Yum! And here's our chicken cashew. Look at that. Yum yum. There you go. So I cooked a lot. So if you have leftover, you can save your leftover for up to 5 days. Yes, ma'am. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless you all.